Welcome back to our channel, IQ Time to Play. Today, we will learn and discover the different kinds of vehicles by using colorful Play-Dohs. These are the Play-Dohs that we will use: yellow, teal, violet, pink, red, orange, green, and blue. And these are the different vehicles that we will learn today: fire truck, excavator, helicopter, airplane, police car, ambulance, car, and rocket ship.
Hooray!
This is our first color. Do you know what color is this? Very good. That is correct. It is color teal. This is amazing. Can you guess what vehicle is this? This vehicle is designed for air travel and is commonly used when you travel long distances. You got it right! It is an airplane. Our airplane is color teal.
Yay!
This is our second color. What color is this? You're right. This is color pink. And can you guess what is our next vehicle? This is another kind of a flying vehicle. It does not have wings, but it has a large rotor blade that spins rapidly. Yes, this is a helicopter. And our helicopter is color pink. This is our third color. Can you guess what color is this? Excellent! This is color red. You got it right. Nice, kids! Can you guess what is our next vehicle? This vehicle is designed to help in fighting fires by carrying firemen and equipment to the site of a fire. That's correct. This is a fire truck. Our fire truck is color red. Can you guess what is our fourth color? Brilliant! That is correct. This is color green. We're doing a great job. And what vehicle is this? This vehicle is used to carry sick or injured people to the hospital in case of emergency. Amazing! That's correct. This is an ambulance. Our ambulance is color green. What is our next color? Can you guess what color is this? Amazing! You are correct. This is color yellow. Wonderful! And can you guess what kind of vehicle is this? This is a heavy construction vehicle that is used to dig in the ground or to move large objects. Excellent! This is an excavator. Our excavator is color yellow. This is our next color. Can you guess what color is this? Yes, you are correct. This color is orange. Nice, kids! We're doing a great job. And what vehicle is this? This is a vehicle used to travel in outer space. Amazing! You got it right. This is a rocket ship. Our rocket ship is color orange. Can you guess what is our next color? Excellent, that is correct. This color is violet. And can you guess what is our next vehicle? This is a four-wheeled road vehicle that is used to carry a small number of people to different places. That is right. This is a car. Our car is color violet. Can you guess what is our next color? Brilliant! That is right. This color is blue. Nice, kids! We're doing a great job. We are almost done. And what vehicle is this? This is a vehicle used by police officers to patrol the streets or respond to incidents. That's right. It's a police car. Our police car is color blue. Here's our different kinds of vehicles. We're done. Great job, kids. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our activity today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!